Welcome to Story Wonderland. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go!